Hello YouTube, my name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. In today's video, we will show you how to upgrade the firmware of a Legend NVR or a Legend camera. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like us, send any questions in the comments below and we'll be more than happy to help you. Again, we want to create a big community of installers across the country and the world, and so please help us to add some more content to the channel. All right, let's start with the firmware upgrade process. On my table to do this today, I have the PoE switch now feeding a camera, and also have my NVR connected to the switch, and my laptop is as well. All right, so this is how I connected all these devices. Thanks. So one way to upgrade the firmware in a Legend NVR, and it's basically the same process, you know, with the Legend camera, is to do it via the web interface. All right. Ideally, I would suggest to be on the local network when you do that. All right, just to prevent any internet interruptions, to basically crash the process of upgrading. All right, ideally you don't want to reset the machine or power cycle when you do that. So just wait so that the full upgrade process is complete. All right, so from right now I'm in the 8-channel 4K NVR. All right, so from the main setup menu, you want to go under maintenance, and this is where you will find the upgrade path, for the NVR. So what I want to do now is to go to the desktop. All right, and I will have, hold on, I need to extract it. Refresh. So I go to the folder, I have my firmware, and as a side note, most of the time the NVRs are shipped with the latest firmware available, all right? But when you contact Inaxsys tech support, they may have a new version to offer, to add new features, or simply resolve an issue that you've seen on the field, all right? So typically, I suggest to maybe give us a call, and then we'll confirm if there's a newer version or not, and if the issue can be solved with a firmware upgrade. Okay, so this is the bin file I'm using for this NVR. I want to start, by entering the path and upgrade. So the next tool you have to upgrade a camera or an NVR firmware is called Legend Tools. So here on my screen, you see that the Legend Tools found the camera and the NVR. So I'm going to show you how to do the NVR. You go to the upgrade page, select the device you want to upgrade, and then you can click on the upgrade button, specify the login, and then you see that I already had set the path for the program bin file, and now you can click OK to start the upgrade. All right, again, I find this tool to be more robust than trying to do it via the web interface, so that would be my preferred way of upgrading if you have to do this on the field. You simply have a laptop or a computer on site with this on the same network, and then you do it from there. So I'm going to start the upgrade of the firmware of the unit. All right, now it's going to take about 2 minutes to upgrade, then the NVR will reboot. Okay. If you don't have a firmware file, you want to check if you're using the latest firmware for the Legend NVR or a camera, there's the online upgrade button. All right, you select the device you want to check the firmware, and then you can click the upgrade button. And then it's going to check the cloud server, see if there's a newer version, and then push the file into the NVR or camera if there is a newer version available. All right. Again, thanks for watching. All right, I'm Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. Please subscribe, comment, like us, and we'll answer your question as soon as we can. Thank you.